Imagine a volcanic eruption so powerful that it alters the global climate. In April 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted with a force unmatched in recorded history. This cataclysmic event killed tens of thousands instantly, but the true impact was felt worldwide. The eruption expelled vast amounts of volcanic ash into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and lowering global temperatures. 1816 came to be known as the year without a summer, causing widespread crop failures and food shortages. Famines and disease outbreaks swept across continents, reshaping societies. The Mount Tambora eruption serves as a stark reminder of nature's immense power and the far-reaching effects of natural disasters.